This is my review of these HD 598CS closed back noise isolating headphones by Sennheiser. There's also an open back version. I'm not sure what makes them special edition, but it says they're for phones and tablets, and there's a 2-year warranty if you're into that sort of thing. Now, these are noise isolating, not noise canceling. There is a big difference. Noise canceling headphones recreate the noise of your environment 180 degrees out of phase, causing a cancellation of those sounds. Not to get too technical, but they require power to do this, so they usually need a battery. So, here we are looking at a pretty nice set of headphones. No loud colors or odd shapes. Simple, clean, and to the point. These, style-wise, are just all business. They are a little on the snug side, and this contributes to their ability to isolate your ears from outside noises. They look fairly well made, at least as to be expected at this price point. I do like the feel of these ear cups. They feel like microfiber or some fine suede or something like that. Maybe they won't make the sides of my head sweat so much. So, there's that. Now, they come with 2 cords, one 4-foot cord and one 10-foot cord. The 10-foot cord has a 1/4-inch connector on the end. Most headphones just come with an adapter for this. I like this. One less connection to fail or to make noise or just plain come unplugged, or parts to lose for that matter. For now, let's just look at the 4-foot cord. It has a regular 3.5mm or 1/8-inch connector on one end, and a small microphone with a single button just a few inches from the other end. It plugs in here, and with a little twist, it clicks into place and is secure. There's just a tiny circle on the inside that tells you left or right, but I think most people know that the cord always goes on the left, so that's fine. Let's see how they compare to the headphones that I've been using for the last few years, the Audio-Technica ATH M50X. They added the X when they added removable cords. So these are very broken in and have served me well both at home and in the field. I cannot complain. They have never failed me. The ear cups are showing their age, but I can't blame them after all I've put them through. I even spilled a whole cup of coffee on them one time. They've always been really comfortable. I've worn them for hundreds of hours, and they have never, crushed my skull. They also have a replaceable cord like the Sennheiser, so let's see if they'll swap. One thing to notice here, the Sennheiser has an extra conductor. This would be called a TRRS, so tip, ring, sleeve. What do you know? Fits perfect. Alright, so the M50X cord is fatter and better behaved, but the 598 has a mic, so you can talk on your phone while wearing your headphones if you're into that. I'm not here to judge. By the way, the 4th conductor is there to send the signal from the microphone to your smartphone. So the Sennheiser cord fits the Audio-Technica headphones. Now let's try the Audio-Technica cord in the Sennheiser headphones. Nothing doing. Yeah, no. Okay, no big deal. So I haven't mentioned anything about the way they sound yet. Spoiler alert, they both sound great. Both have great detail and deliver all the subtle nuances while keeping a nice, flat, and natural and accurate signal. If you want, that kick in the pants, thumpy bass, these are not your guys. The difference between the sound of these 2 sets of cans, they're really quite negligible. The biggest difference is that the tighter fit of the Sennheisers creates a little better sound isolation at the cost of a little bit of long-term comfort. That's not to say that they are not comfortable. They are. Compared to most other headphones, they are really comfortable, just a little tight on my big head. A couple more things I should mention. The M50X headphones come with 3 cords. This 4-footer, a 10-footer, and a long coiled one that I usually leave on my computer desk. there's a pretty nice 3.5mm to 1/4" adapter that screws onto the end of either of those two long cords if you need that. They also come with a drawstring pouch for some reason. So maybe you're wondering, will that fat plug on the end of the Audio-Technica's cord plug into my phone while it's in my big chunky phone case? The answer is I have no idea what kind of case you have. But if you have this one, it will. It fits no problem. Other ones, yeah, maybe not so much. I don't know. I picked up these Sennheiser 598s for $99 on Black Friday from Amazon.com. They're typically about $150. The Audio-Technica ATH-M50X I've seen from about $180 when they were first released down to about $115 recently. And I wouldn't hesitate to buy another pair if these were to ever get lost or broken. They really are remarkable headphones for that price range. So there you go, two well-built, great-sounding, comfortable headphones in the $100 to $200 price range. Thanks for watching.